Um, Although, luckily, you're in the digital era, and we have Pramita. So Pramita can tell us, once you've gone past what you want to write and what you've written, how do you market yourself? What are the tools that you can actually use now to make life simpler?
Before we get into the tools for marketing oneself, I'd say definitely do a SWOT analysis for yourself before you venture out into creating a brand. Once you've done a SWOT analysis, SWOT is basically strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. And once you've done that SWOT analysis and you've defined a brand for yourself, the ethos and pathos of it, then you get into the marketing aspect of it. The tools that you can use there are online as well as offline tools. When you get into the online tools, of course, there is the social media, creating a digital footprint, a strong digital footprint, whether it's through the website, whether the newsletters, whether you're using LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook and YouTube. You can nowadays a podcast is the new hot thing, and it's not just about listening to it on Spotify, but it's also about getting the visual imprint of the podcast into the YouTube channel, and then how do you magnify the reach of your podcast across the different digital platforms. Then you take that the traction that you've built and you put it across on the offline channels in terms of networking, in terms of doing various networking events, conferences, tete-a-tetes, and then get into very niche one-on-one engagements. All of these combined will lead to a very effective marketing campaign for yourself. You can, of course, create several marketing campaigns, set shorter timelines and milestones attached to them. As they add up, first evaluate what is the traction that is getting built, and then reevaluate how do you need to redefine your campaigns and go about building on that, and eventually you would have built a brand for yourself that you envisioned when you started the journey.